How to make your own Canva designs. On the search bar, you can select what layout you want your design to be in. I chose poster for this one. Next, you can either choose from the list of templates or use a blank screen for your design. As you scroll, you can see millions of different template layouts from which you can choose. You can choose a template that suits your theme. In the elements icon, you can see lines, graphics, photos, frames, etc. to add to your design. And you can see you can also edit within them. The upload icon is to upload any sorts of media like images, photos, or even audio to add as your background music. Canva also has a list of free photos and even more from the Pro version. This is to add any photo to your design or as your background. You can also adjust your photos using the guiding alignment lines. If you want to add text to your design, you can simply add it as a heading, as a subheading, or even as a body text. Canva also has a list of featured ready-made designs. You can cut, copy, paste, or even duplicate your photos or text. There are also many font or color schemes available, which you can get from the styles icon. You can also add videos from the videos icon. There are a list of free videos or even backgrounds, monocolored and patterned, available. As you can see, I am realigning my photos, and you can do the same with your text or graphics. You can choose from a list of fonts that are available. And also adjust the font color and size. There are also many other options such as bold or italics available on the top bar of your screen. You can align your text, increase or decrease the spacing, or add bullet points. In the effects icon, you can see many options like getting your text to neon, glitch, or even curving it. You can also adjust from intensity, blurring, offset, transparency, color, etc. As you can see, I'm using one feature by adding background to my text and increase the roundness, intensity, transparency, etc. to it. By clicking on the three dots, I can adjust a lot more settings, like duplicating my graphic, sending it backward or forward. By clicking this option, I can send it either to the bottom of the page or the top of the page, to the center, to the left, or to the right as well. I can also duplicate my entire page or delete the elements that I don't want. Now the last option is to download this design. I can either send a link to edit or just to view. And while downloading it, I can either save it to any layout that I want it to be in.